In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OpenShot video editor to make some very simple video edits. So you're going to go to File, Import Files. I'm going to import these two videos. And what I want to do first is open these in the trimmer. I guess they call it split clip in OpenShot. And I'm just going to kind of go in here and I can select a start point and an end point. I'm just going to do that. We'll call this edit clip 1. Alright, you can name it whatever you want. Create that clip. That clip shows up here in your project files area. Now I'm going to split this clip. And kind of doing the same thing, just kind of skip ahead. Here we go, we'll just grab one from here. Maybe go there. Okay. Split clip 2. Alright, great. So I got my two videos, and I'm going to drag the first one into this timeline here. And I'm going to zoom out. I hold Control and then zoom out with my scroll wheel on my mouse. And I'm going to take the second clip here, split clip 2. I'm just going to throw it in here. And there we go. We've got the two clips that are mushed together. And you can do whatever you want now with these two clips. Once that's done, you need to render your video. So you just go File and Export Project, Export Video. And of course you can use whatever settings you want. This will put it in the root directory of the main user, whoever's on the computer. You probably don't want to do that. Maybe you want to throw this back into your videos folder or put it wherever you want. So I'll call this mashed videos, whatever. They're just two videos mashed together. And then you can set your frame rate to whatever you want. I could go up to high definition. This is a pretty common one to use, high quality, and then you hit export, and then it takes a few minutes, and then once this bar is done, your video is exported and it'll appear in this directory.